Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 2.9% in the last session after gaining as much as 5% during the session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple Inc. is raising fears about letting users install applications outside the company's App Store, an issue being targeted by lawmakers and regulators. Inflationary pressures hit record highs in June as the UK economy continued to rebound, as commercial activity fell back only slightly after last month's reopening from lockdown. Bitcoin's quick recovery to $34,800 ignited a rally in altcoins, boosting the total crypto market capitalization by $76 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT, Germany's IFO current assessment at 800 GMT, the UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence will be released at 2301 GMT, Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT, Germany's IFO business climate at 800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.